Mwani wakwa wajera jiwe otongo gukwendete hau gabere ndiguko mwena wa Tigoni Limuru kuria kumana igogona ria Kikuyu Love Session na handu omete ndina njamba ndina mutongoria ni mundu oikaine guothe no gwenda etambune na marĩtwa make nigetha mundu utakwi hau nja agikorwo wa gukumenya gwitagwo atia?
Njĩtagwo Eric Wainaina. Yes.
Such a privilege.
The pleasure is mine, Jerry. Thank you so much.
Wow. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm happy at the same time. You coming to this event and you talking or you singing to the people. What are the challenges that you face wakati uko kwa stage, wakati you're doing that singing nini?
Challenges, I mean, always ukiingia kwa stage saa zote unakuwa nervous for sure. Hata kama umefanya hii kazi kwa muda mrefu, it doesn't matter. Why get stage, you'll be nervous for sure. Yeah.
There's a thing that you've done and actually it have touched me. Sijui kama wengi wamenote. You've been given a chance to perform, but you've given your opportunity to other people to perform. That's a thing yenye mimi kwangu imeniguza. I was here at the back and I was like, wow, you've done such a really nice job giving opportunity. What does it take to nurture someone or to unajua kuambia mtu enda hapo wewe imba and I'll be here watching you, what does it take for you to do that?
Okay, so for example, if we look at a guy like Kagasha, I met him at CDM Kirato's house. You know CDM? About CDM is a Kikuyu musician, I mean from the 70s, 80s, 90s. And so tulikuwa tumeenda kwake and I met now Kagasha there. And that was about, let me say, like 2 months ago. Tulisema we're going to play Kikuyu Love Sessions, unaweza come? Alisema nitatokea. So, and I mean, you could see he's a fantastic musician. And most of the time, ni watu kupata chance ya kuappear in front of an audience, So at least sasa, watu wanamjua. And maybe even Kikuyu Love Sessions watamwalika next time. Then those other guys wanaitwa Television. Tuliwasign, me and my record company, about, let me say 2 years ago. They've got a whole album. Kuna ngoma ambayo inazinduliwa on Thursday of next week. It's called Songa. So the point is, in everything, Jerry, there are those who are greater and lesser than ourselves in everything, right? And so at this moment, because I've been doing it longer, my career is further ahead than them, right? But there are other people in the world who I'd appreciate if they gave me a chance on their stage. So tunasaidiana.
Maisha ni kusaidiana. Umesikia wewe hapa usaidia mtu. Another question. I'll call you the legend of this kind of music. Kuna this kind of different Kikuyu that you sing, right? And how do you feel when you see people embracing it, people accepting to sing this Kikuyu in this other version?
Interesting. Because it is different in a way. So I appreciate being embraced. People liking the songs and accepting that I'm doing it in a particular style. Just before we began this interview, I was talking to some Kikuyu rappers. One of them was described to me as, this is the Kendrick Lamar of Kikuyu rap. The other guy is the J. Cole of Kikuyu rap. So it's there's no one way of doing anything. And we're sort of, because we're exposed to so many different things, we're discovering how to how do I say, to bring it out in different ways.
Wow. Thank you. I think my questions are done. I think that's all I had for today. When we meet next time, I promise I'll ask a lot of questions.
Sawa. Thank you
for your time.
Thank you for yours, Jerry. Asante. Sawa.
Niye njitako Jerry Wadongo, netwerekane.